Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video. Today we are doing the connections of timer to contactor and load. So we learn the connection, how we take the main connection from MCB or any direct connection to the timer, and then timer will give the supply to the contactor, and then contactor will on our all the load. So watch till end to see how we can do the all proper connections. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's continue to our topic. So first thing, we give the supply to this timer, and then timer will on the contactor, and then contactor will give the supply to this all the load. So temporarily we use this load. You can use the 3-phase or single phase or any other load or any other DC current or AC current, but you have to use the coil A2 A1 is must be 220 volt. So we start the connection. So let's understand the connection. I already do the connection. So we understand the connection. This one is the incoming wire to MCB. After that, we take out MCB one power supply phase to the timer number 8 point. This one is the max guard timer. You can see the connection on the top or behind, or you can get the connections of the timer back of the timer sticker. So we take the one phase, give the point number 8 phase, and then one jumper cable for the on the timer, we give the number 2. Then after that, we take one neutral also from the MCB, we give the number 7. You can see, if my camera can show you, number 7 is neutral, number 8 is phase for the this timer. And then after that, we take one bypass, we give directly to the contactor. You can give directly from MCB, you can give directly phase from MCB, or you can jump from here also, because this one we give only the supply to on our load. Even you use the 3-phase, you can give the directly here and then take output from here, because magnetic contactor is only based on the this point magnet. If the coil is on, it's automatically these points will go and touch the this 4 points output. This one input, this one output, and then the here is the A2 A1 is for the incoming for the on this magnetic contactor. So another connections, you can see this one is the load. For example, we use this 2 bulb. You can use anything. I used for the demonstration 2 bulb. We take the phase for this 2 lights, different points. I take from 1 and 2nd, and then the neutral I take bypass from the A2. If you want to understand the separately connection for this timer magnetic contactor, you want to understand, I will give the video link in the description and then I button, so you can simply watch the different separately connections, the magnetic contactor and max guard timer. It's available on my channel. So it's very simple, easy. We give supply from this MCB to the timer will on to contactor will on to our supply. So that is very simple, easy. 2 phase and neutral, we give timer 7 and 8. One jumper cable number 2, number 1 is output for this timer, go to the A1 coil for this magnetic contactor, and then neutral we take from the directly MCB, and then the phase for the load we take from the directly from the MCB, and then output of the neutral of the load we take from the A2 point here output. Even you can directly take from MCB also can. So I use here the bypass A2, and then the phase we take the here input, here output. When the magnetic contact is on, the load is on. So we set any timer to on this magnetic contactor. For example, I want to set the 6. I want to set the 12 o'clock midnight. My lights will on until morning 6 a.m. If you can, my camera can show you the 24 until 6. So midnight 12 a.m. lights will on, and then 6 a.m. it will turn off automatically. So how it work? I will turn manually, so easy for you to understand, because if we wait for the time, it's very difficult. So I turn manually my timer. When the time reaches, I forget to on this MCB. Okay. So we turn manually. Once the time reach here, you can see 12 o'clock midnight, it's automatically our lights is on. When the time reaches 6 a.m., for example, it's 6 a.m. automatically turn off. So that is the work of timer, and then magnetic contactor will give the supply. Which load you want to give here, you take the output. So that is the easiest connection, and then simple to understand the connection. If you have any query, you can simply write in the comment below. I will 100% reply the comments. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.